Have you ever wondered how to financially thrive as a stay-at-home mom? In today's video, I'll share the 7 financial lessons I have learned while raising my kids and managing our household on my husband's single income. When I became pregnant with my second child, I had to seriously consider how we could make it work if I quit my job. It's no secret that in today's world, having 2 incomes feels like a necessity, but I was determined to stay home and raise my children. What I didn't know at the time was how much I would learn about budgeting, saving, and finding new ways to contribute financially. If you're considering quitting your job to become a full-time mom, this video is for you. First, I knew I had to have a plan. Before I made the leap to stay home, my husband and I made a commitment to live off his income alone for several months. My entire paycheck went into savings. This experiment not only boosted our emergency fund, but showed us we could handle living on 1 income. It forced us to cut unnecessary spending and prioritize our expenses, and it also helped us adjust to our new financial reality before it became permanent. The second lesson is budgeting. It's crucial to know where your money is going. We sat down and broke our expenses into categories like housing, utilities, groceries, and more. This allowed us to see where we could make cuts, such as switching from cable to streaming services like Netflix or Sling. By doing so, we were able to free up funds and put more into savings or use it to pay off debt. Cutting out non-essential expenses might feel like a sacrifice at first, but it was worth it to achieve our goals of me staying home with the kids. The third financial lesson I learned is that even as a stay-at-home mom, you can find ways to make money from home. I found that working from home gave me flexibility while still allowing me to contribute to our household income. One of the ways I've been able to do this by starting my own YouTube channel. It has already been monetized and is slowly picking up pace. Although I'm currently generating a small income, I'm excited to watch it grow over time. Starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to share your passions or expertise while earning ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate income. While building an audience takes time, it's incredibly rewarding and a great way to make money from home. In case you're also in the same position and need some guidance, you can put in some comments and I will reply to you personally. Another key lesson is renegotiating contracts. I discovered that by calling our internet, car insurance, and even phone service providers, I could save us over $100 a month. Companies often give discounts or better deals to retain customers rather than lose them. If you haven't renegotiated any of your contracts this year, do it now. The savings can quickly add up and help ease the financial burden of living on 1 income. Next, I learned the value of using a cashback credit card. We use one for almost all of our purchases, whether it's groceries, clothing, or bills, and we pay it off in full every month to avoid interest. By doing this, we've accumulated hundreds of dollars in cashback rewards. Last year, we have used over $500 of our cashback rewards to pay for Christmas gifts. And as of now, we are back up to $654 in rewards. This is money we are earning on purchases we would have made anyway, and it's an easy way to save a little extra each month. The fifth lesson is to pay off any debts as soon as possible. High interest debt can be a major obstacle to financial stability, especially when you're living on a single income. I used Dave Ramsey's snowball method to tackle our debts. By paying off the smallest debt first, we were able to build momentum and stay motivated to pay off larger debts. Over time, this method helped us pay off my student loans and our car loan, and now we are debt-free, which has given us so much more financial freedom. Another important financial habit I've adopted is meal planning. Food can quickly become one of the biggest areas of overspending, especially when you rely on fast food or eating out. By planning our meals ahead of time, I can shop more effectively and avoid impulse buys. I also look for sales, use coupons, and buy in bulk when possible to save money. It's amazing how much you can save just by being more intentional with your grocery shopping. Being a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean you have to give up on your financial goals. I hope these tips inspire you to take control of your financial future and make the transition to being a stay-at-home mom more manageable. Remember, you can do this, and with the right mindset and strategy, you can thrive financially while staying at home with your kids. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice.